Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Just enter your email address or your phone number and then proceed forward with the verification code by checking your inbox or your SMS, and you will be logged into your account after setting up your PIN code. Now, once you are inside this homepage, if you wish to change your date of birth registered within your account, you can look for these settings in your account page from the top right, and if you click on Edit Profile, you will not find any feature or option for your date of birth. So scroll down and tap on Support, because there is no option to change this on other settings page as well. Now, once the Help and Support page is loaded up, scroll all the way down and you will find the Chat option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can type in that you need to change your account date of birth, and the Cash App support team will send you with an appropriate response with which you can follow the instructions in order to change your date of birth. If you don't get appropriate support from the chat page, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and simply type in Cash App and start your search. Once you find the Cash App application, tap on it and you will see the app support option. Tap on the drop down menu and you will find the email address that you can contact the app support team with. Simply tap on this email and you can use your email application to send a direct email to the support team. Within the subject section, type in incorrect date of birth, and then within the main body, you can just explain that your date of birth is incorrect within your Cash App account and you would like to have it changed. Also make sure to include your cash tag and then tap on the send button to send your support email. Now, once the support team responds to your email, you can just follow the instructions within in order to change your date of birth. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to change your date of birth on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.